Good morning, Jaguars, and welcome to another day at Jefferson, where Jaguar leaders discover ways to use their ideas and hands to change the world. Today is Monday, October the 5th. Our menu for the week is as follows: Monday, chicken and waffle; Tuesday, taco meat, cheese and chips; Wednesday, hamburger or cheeseburger; Thursday, wow sandwich and string cheese; and Friday, corn dog nuggets. Jaguars, remember our 3 W's: wash, wait, and wear. This Thursday, it's Picture Day at Jefferson. So on October the 8th, all students, including remote choice learners, will be able to have their picture made at Jefferson. Students who are face-to-face learners will have their pictures made during the morning, beginning at 8:45 a.m. per grade level schedules. Students who are remote choice learners will be able to come to the school to have their pictures made between the hours of 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. Please come to the back of the building on Overlook Road at the library area. Parking will be made available for you in the back. Only remote choice learner students will be allowed in the building, and their temperature will be taken prior to entry. Students will be escorted by staff to the library to have their picture made and then return to the back exit. So Jaguars, be ready to share your best smile for the camera this Thursday. Guess what time it is? It's almost fall break time for Kingsport City Schools. Jaguars, I want to remind you that we will not have school on Monday, October the 12th through October the 16th, and there will be no school for students on Monday, October the 19th, because it's Teacher in-Service Day. So all Jaguars will return to school on Tuesday, October the 20th. We encourage you to relax, reflect, and recommit while you enjoy your fall break. Now it's time to celebrate some Jaguars who are celebrating a birthday this week and during fall break week. Celebrating a birthday on October 5th in 5th grade is Dylan S. October 6th in 4th grade is Paisley B. 4th grade Shelby F. 3rd grade Jacob J. On October the 7th in 4th grade Callan B. And in 1st grade Jensen L. On October the 8th in 3rd grade is Bailey W. On October the 10th, Mrs. Johnson, our music teacher, and October the 11th, in 2nd grade, Amir C. Celebrating a birthday over fall break on October the 13th in kindergarten is Malachi S. On October the 14th in kindergarten is Casey T. On October the 15th in 1st grade, Dan H. and in 1st grade, Sawyer W. On October the 16th in 4th grade, Bella B. On October 17th in 2nd grade, Carter H. 2nd grade Bryant S., 2nd grade Nora V., and also Jennifer Taylor, one of our cafeteria staff. Celebrating a birthday on October the 18th in 1st grade is Grayson A., 4th grade Charles C. M., and in 5th grade Ashlyn W. Hope all of you enjoy celebrating your birthday. And now it's time to celebrate some Leaders of the Week. Did you know Jefferson is a school filled with leaders? So we'd like to give a big, huge Jefferson shout out to our Leaders of the Week. In kindergarten, Alex N., Alexander P., and Ava H. In 1st grade, Elizabeth B., Jude H., Ellie M., and Annalie MC. In 2nd grade, Marshall O., Kaleda R., Emmeline R., and Olivia R. In 3rd grade, Matilda C., Anson H., and Lily S. In 4th grade, Ashlyn C., Tate C., Brinley D., and Charlesy M. And in 5th grade, Chant D., Peyton M., and Keaton C. Thank you all for being amazing leaders at Jefferson Elementary School. And now, join me for some words of wisdom. We have been talking about how we can choose to be a difference maker. So today, Jefferson would like to celebrate 4 difference makers in our school. These amazing people make sure that our building is extra, extra, extra clean. They make sure the doors are unlocked and the lights are on when we arrive to school. They lock the doors at night to help keep our school safe throughout the night. They make sure our bathrooms are stocked with the necessary supplies. They help keep the cafeteria clean so we can enjoy a nice meal with our friends. They make sure the grass is mowed around our school so we can have fun playing at recess. These amazing people make our floors shine like the bright sun. They empty our trash and replenish our cans with new bags every day. Even if we get sick, they help clean up and sanitize the area so we can stay healthy. But the greatest thing they do as they share their smiles and kind words with us every day. So a huge shout out and thank you goes out to the best custodial staff in the world. Thank you, Mr. Jimmy, Mr. Gary, Miss Penny, and Miss Mary for being difference makers. Your Jefferson family loves you. Jaguars, I hope you will find a special way to love on these wonderful people and show your appreciation to our custodial staff this week. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor. Jaguars, choose to do great things this week. Make a positive impact in the lives of people you meet. Be a difference maker. And now you may join your family or your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.